Alright, I'm laying out my last two marks here. 2 inches from the top and bottom, and then I split the difference into 3 on the other two. Got to push this down. Okay. I'll run those the same as I did the top. Got everything ready to go. And as I'm pushing this down, and I'm using the clamp to put some resistance or pressure on this to keep it down. The reason it can't go down as far as I want is because this shelf is sticking up just a hair on this end. It's flush on this side. So I've got to take that shelf out and put it back together. I don't see any other way to do it. Okay, ready to go. And taking that shelf out made a big difference. I can get that down all the way now, and with that clamp there and this one here, a little hand pressure or a couple of love taps, and that stays put. So I'm happy about that. So I've gone around and checked. Everything is flush. It's really, really good. I even was pushing on this part here, and that's already done. So that's how, I don't know, that's where my mind was. I'm like, okay, it's got to be flush everywhere, even here, but this is already done. So, ready to run the dominoes. I'm happy with this. I'm going to run just one domino each, and probably 2 inches from the top here. Take this off, put glue in the joints, put it back together, and stitch it up. Okay, strategy number 4. The sides are free, so I just left those kind of in place. I've got the back and the top assembly off. I'm going to run my glue along these joints here, and then I'll put some glue along the sides of this, the back assembly. Drop it in place, pull it together, and try and get some glue in these dominoes. I hope I can. We'll see how it goes. It's going to be one of those things that's going to be a bit of a rush. I need one more clamping call on this end. I just saw that. I'm glad I saw it. Clamps are off. The glue's been removed. Clamps are put away too. I just did it all and measured for squareness. It's still right on the money. I'm really pleased about that. And now the next thing to do is to lay it on its back here and trim these dominoes. All right, the middle shelf. Got these pieces, scrap pieces, clamped from the bottom up here to act as stops, basically when I put this piece in. And then I can, once I get it where I want, I can clamp it tight this way. It'll stay put and I can release these and put my other clamp on. Alright, as the Beatles used to say, I gotta let it be. But it really looks good.